to the counter, especially if you sell a lot of retail and lays down 5 or 6 different items. Just take the barcode scanner and you go beep, 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 scan one of each item, and they all pop into the shopping cart just as fast as you can scan them. If somebody wants to buy more than one of something, you simply scan that barcode repetitively, and each time that you scan it, it increases the quantity of that item in the shopping cart, as you can see. Okay, one final item. Let me go back to the list here, and you'll notice in the lower right corner it says Point of Sale Tasks. This brings up some new functionality. You see, I can open a batch, and some of these buttons are grayed out here. Let me go ahead and open a batch. So I'll say I have $100 in my cash drawer. When I first start out, that's for change, sometimes called the till. I'll go ahead and assign this to Zoe Zappingdale, and I'll enter some comments. I am in the middle of iCamp. Just a demo/test. Look what happens when I click OK. I will see that a batch has been opened. It date and time stamps it. You can see my system clock is a little bit off. We keep it set to a different time zone here. And here's the description. Batch open. I'm in the middle of iCamp, just a demo test. And now all of these buttons are available. I can add cash, do a cash drop, do a payout, run an X or Z report. Now some of you who are familiar with these retail functions might be thinking, oh, fantastic. Others of you might be going, what in the heck is he talking about? I have no idea what an X report or Z report or any of these functions are. It's okay, because either way, this feature can be very, very helpful to you. We have some great training available on our website at igofigure.com. Click over on the training tab, go to the iLearning Center, and you will see in detail how to use all of this new point of sale functionality. The ability to open and close batches and enter comments at specific dates and times, and to perform these functions like cash drop, cash add, payout, and so forth is really going to help you be a lot more organized and efficient in how you run and manage your day-to-day financials. You do not need to buy any hardware. You don't need a cash drawer. You don't need a credit card swiper or anything else in order to use this great new functionality. It is included with version 3.8 regardless of whether or not you buy any of this hardware. Okay, I hope you're excited about some of these things that you've seen in version 3.8. Real quick, before we bring Cassie Finley on, I do want to let you know about one other exciting thing that's coming from GoFigure, and that is the iGo Hub. Now, Kyle touched on this briefly, and he gave a very good description. You know, there's a lot of ways that you can use software these days. You can use it 100% standalone on your own computer. Say, I don't even have an internet connection, and we certainly allow you to do that. You can run iGoFigure in a standalone configuration. You can run it 100% online, so you don't have to worry about system requirements. Do I have enough RAM, upgrading, or anything, backups, or anything else? Or you can run it kind of in between, and this is the great example Kyle gave. When you download an application onto your iPhone, that application is on your phone, but it can still interact with information that's available online in order to give you functionality, visibility, and convenience. Our iGo Hub does the same thing. If you want to kind of halfway in between, you want your iGo figure on your system, but yet you still want some online capability, you can use the iGo Hub. And there's a lot of features that we have and are going to be adding. For example, online reporting. I'll show you that in a moment. Automated backups. If you don't want to go to our full-blown web-based system, you want to have the iGo software on your own computer and manage your own data, you can do that, but you can still have the iGo Hub remotely log into your system to pull an automated backup for you. There's a traveling members feature. This way, if somebody scans their key tag from a different club and you have the traveling members service enabled, again, these are all optional. It's up to you if you want to turn these off or on. But what the system will do if you have it turned on is it will go out there and search to see that key tag and see where's this member's home club, are they a member in good standing at their home club, and then it will log them in at your club as a guest or traveling member. Let's take a look at some of the things that are available. Here's just a quick example of what your screen would look like if you choose the automated backup feature. Here would be the last upload. Here would be the next scheduled upload of your data. Here's some of the reporting that's available. Advertising sources by location. If you're a multi-facility owner, here are all of your locations, and here is your income by advertising source for these locations. I can minimize or maximize any of these. This gives you a lot of power as a multi-facility owner to see on one screen how did my locations do at each of my locations, how did they do in comparison with each other. Here's the projection report, total active members, highest single daily day of attendance, and again, you see it among all your different locations. And here's another nice little feature. It's also going to show you the change in these figures. This figure went down 19%. This one, almost double, went up by 205%. Here you see a report for membership sales by location. There is a lot more that is coming soon. We're going to keep you informed through future iCamps and through email notifications, both of when the iCamps are, and in case you can't make an iCamp, we will send you emails letting you know what's available and when it's available. Again, we're going to let you know about future iCamps, when version 3.8 is available, when the web portal is available, and a lot more.